Hello children, so here I am with the explanation of section 3 of unit 3. It is a poem, You Can't Be That, You Can't Be That. The poet of the poem is Brian Patton. So let's know what the poem is about. The poet beautifully describes the poet's ambitions when he was a child. He wanted to become a tree, an ocean or a mountain. The poet's imaginary world is full of beauty of nature. Every time he put forth his ambitions, it did not seem to be connected with the real life. So here in this poem you will read certain things about the poet, about his ambitions, what he wants to become when he grows up. He wants to become a tree, an ocean or a mountain. So you will also feel, is it possible for a person to become a tree or an ocean or a mountain when you grow up? You are also very little right now and you also want to do something very big in your life when you grow up. So but here the poet had certain weird imagination. He thinks strangely and he thinks that he is not going to be what generally people become, like doctor, lawyers and all. He is going to be a tree or an ocean or a mountain. So every time whatever he wants to become, it is related with the nature only. So let's read the poem. Before reading the poem, let's know about the poet. Brian Patton was born on 7 February 1946. He is an English poet who began working at the age of 15 and today writes extensively for children as well as adults. His poems combine the possibilities of the magical and miraculous with hard realities. In his poems, even the darkest moments are filled with courage and hope. So Brian Patton is one of the English poets who writes for the children also as well as for the adults, and his poems generally show some kind of miraculous, some kind of magical things which are somehow related with the practicalities of the life also. And the poems are generally filled with courage and hopes. So now let's read the poem. I told them, when I grow up, I am not going to be a scientist or someone who reads the news on TV. No, a million birds will fly through me. I am going to be a tree. I told them. Who is them here? Them here is the elders or the parents of the poet, whom he every time tells that when he grows up, he is not going to be a scientist, he is not going to be a news anchor. No, what he is going to be? He is going to be a tree through which many birds can fly through. Though they said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. What the parents are saying? They are saying that it is not possible and you cannot be a tree. So again the next time, I told them, when I grow up, I am not going to be an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer or an MC. What is an MC here? MC is a master of ceremonies. Now nowadays you must have heard about the event managers. What the event managers do, they generally organize all the ceremonies. They manage all the events like wedding, birthday parties and all big functions. So these people are called MCs. They are the master of many kind of ceremonies. So he says that he is not going to be a pilot, neither a dancer nor a lawyer. What he is going to be now, he wants to become an ocean through which many huge whales will swim and he will enjoy them. Again the parents said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I am not going to be a DJ, a computer programmer, a musician or beautician. Now again this time he has come up with another idea, that he is not going to be a DJ. What is a DJ? DJ here is a disco jockey. You know, disco jockey who is a person who's generally, when you go to discotheque or some places like that, there a person mixes all kinds of songs and dances, themes of the dances together and then present a song. That is the job of a disco jockey. So he doesn't want to be a disco jockey, a computer programmer, a musician or a beautician. What does he want to become this time? A range of mountains. What will happen in that range of mountains? Streams will flow through me. I'll be the home of eagles. I'll be full of nooks, crannies, valleys and fountains. Now you have seen the range of mountains. What are there? So he feels that if he becomes a range of mountains, Many kinds, all streams will flow through him, like the rivers, the small river, narrow rivers will flow through him. Then he will be a home for birds. Then there will be full of nooks. What are the nooks? Nooks are the places, the lonely places, the corners in the mountains. And then the crannies are also the holes which are there. So the valleys and the fountains. So he wants to become a range of mountains. Again the parents said, they said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. Now this time the poet says, just what do you think I am? Every time you are saying no to whatever I am saying, I can't be an ocean, I can't be a tree, I can't be a mountain. So what can I be? Just what I am. He asked his parents. Just a child, they said, and children always become at least one of the things we want them to be. So what the parents say is that you are just a child, and whatever we will tell you to become, you will become that only. They do not understand me. I'll be stable if I want, smelling of fresh sea. I'll be lost glade in which unicorns still play. So he says that I'll be calm and quiet even if I am smelling the fresh hay. I can be a lost glade. If I want, I can be a forest place, a left open space which is not where the unicorns still play. The unicorns, unicorns are the imaginary creatures. They generally have a forehead. They have a horse body and a single straight horn on their forehead. So these are imaginary characters. So he says that he can be a unicorn which still plays. They do not realize I can fulfill any ambition. They do not realize among them walks a magician. So he says that the elders do not understand my ambition. They do not want to know what I want to become. They really don't care about my feelings. They don't understand among them is a magician who can be anything what he wants. But he is really upset with the behavior of his elders, that they are not understanding his feelings or what he wants to become. So this is what the poet has expressed his feelings here with all the things he has written, and this is where we end our poem. And the word meanings and the question answers I'll be providing in the PDF. Thank you.